Yeah, here we go. The project we know we're gonna do today.
Can I move it?
Yeah. Oh no, that's fine. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can move it in. So, we're gonna ease the water in here. Checking if we got this irrigation. Let's take a style. Well, we can build another one right there too. I don't know. You gotta see it. Lemon, well watered, overflow, well, we'll fix that. Coming down to this Buddha hand. This is where the spider is, right? Where's that spider at?
Whoa. Somewhere in here. He's right there. I've seen one of the biggest spiders you ever seen. Don't get freaked out.
Dark spider. So that one's looking good. They don't jump, you're okay. Next, we're gonna fix this little runoff here. Waiting. Nothing yet. My favorite for limes. They should come off easy. Delicious. Here it comes. Yep. We have water. We have a gopher hole here with an overflow though we gotta fix. There we go. Looking good. I mean, it's finger limes and they're delicious. Wow, on this guava here. Need to bring it down, I guess. Might be another gopher hole. On this guava. Got a leak. Fix that side leak over here. Gotta fix that. That one was a smooth one. Look at this one. That was a nice one.